Hi guys, today I want to show you uh, what I'm doing. Uh, I'm working on this switchboard here. I'm adding another fascia controller. Uh, this is it. This is a Tam Valley uh, part. I'm using Tam Valley Depot octopus trees. This is one of them. I don't know, I think I have 17 or 18 of them on my layout. So what I'm doing, I want to add another fascia controller for this switch here, which is here. So this is kind of in between two controllers, switchboards. There's one over there, it's about 7 feet away, and this one goes into the train station here, and then comes here. Actually, I've taken this part already, so comes here for this controller. This is again about 7 feet away. So what I've done, these used to go straight, these two lines. So this is where the new fascia controller is gonna go. This is the push button, and these are the LEDs. And that's the switchboard there. This is the fascia controller. I have modified it. Usually, as you saw, they come these LEDs mounted on the PC board, but I take them out and attach these extensions on them, so I can install them wherever I want. Like this one's here, you can see these are all with wires, so I install them wherever I want. It's much easier to work with. Another modification that I do, let me show you. I make this little ABS board here and a styrene attached to it. So this piece, it's gonna mount on this board here, like this one's here. You can see, I don't know, let me show you. I can see like this one here, the ABS mounts on that ABS board, and the fascia, this one, gets screwed on from the top and holds it on the main panel. I don't know, it's kind of difficult to see, but yeah. So as you can see, let me show you. This screw here, when I take that screw off, this whole PC board is gonna come off. After I install it, I'll show you how it works. So the way it works, I made a Y here. You can see I solder them myself. There's a female and there's a male plug here. I use these wires here. I cut the plugs ends and solder them together. I make whatever length I want. So I bought a little bit too much. All my layout is, the switchboards are done, and I have so many extra wires. I don't know what to do with them. So anyway, yeah, I make these extensions, as you can see. Then I plug it into this switch here, this fascia here, and make them both work. Hold on. Okay, Alright, so this is on right now, and when I push this green, it means it will go on this line. And now, oh, green will go here. Oh, I gotta plug the other end. Alright, so I plugged the other fascia controller. So green, it will go here, it will go here. And this is the switch. You can see it's working smoothly. Okay, so now I can do the same thing here. You can see yeah, this fascia boards, this one, it was missing two resistors. This is the way it's made basically. So they don't install these two resistors because when they don't have these resistors, only the red comes on, the green doesn't work. So I had to install two resistors on it to make the green work, unless it would be only red and the other one would be off. So this is the way they make it. I like the green and red indication, it's better. So that's ready to go. Alright, after I installed this fascia controller on the board, I'll continue the video. Okay, one thing about ABS sheets, when you want to glue something on them, you have to sand it. See here, I had to sand it because they're very shiny. The glue won't stick, so we'll use a sandpaper. Mine is 100 grit. You sand it down, make it rough, so the glue sticks, unless it won't work. Okay guys, so this is ready. This piece is screwed on. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this Zap Gap glue. I'm gonna put it on. Then I'm gonna put that push button in the hole and hold it and make sure it works. I'm pushing it with my with my finger right now in the back. It works pretty smoothly. So I'm gonna hold it until it's dry. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit there for a while until it dries. Then I will put this LEDs inside the hole. Well, I gotta figure out which direction is the correct one, so I don't wanna dislodge the board. Okay. So then I'm gonna plug it in, white wire out, so then it will be ready. Okay. Okay guys, it's done. So glue is hardened and you can see right now I push the button, switch direction changes. Let me turn the entire board on. Alright, so this is the entire board is on right now. This is I changed the LEDs on this one to smaller ones. Originally these are big ones like that one. Okay, there's a loose connection here somewhere. It came off. Okay, it's from here. Alright, so this one takes it to the middle section, middle layout. It goes through the tunnel here and comes out back there and goes all the way there. Alright, the reason I did this because sometimes I would forget to throw the switch here, and trains coming going here, they would sometimes get derailed here, so I think this is a better way to do it. I did one, this one here comes from the other board, so I added here, and that controls this switch here. Alright guys, that's it, and it was pretty quick project and improvement. I always do improvements on my layout, and it keeps me busy, although I have this entire bottom section, the center, to build still, and I just finished this part, the streets here. I gotta put the signals going around, and as soon as I do some work here, I'll post it on YouTube. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next video.